Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable missing Windows 10 high performance power plant. So just open command prompt, type here cmd or command prompt, right click and as administrator give the permission. Now right click on this top bar, edit and paste, press enter. So this way you can enable and install high performance power plant. Now close and restart your system. So this is the method and way to enable and turn on missing high performance power plant in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.